Imagine being able to predict property trends before they happen, automate your rental processes, analyze market data in real time, and close deals faster than ever, all without leaving your desk. What once required intuition, personal networks, and hours of legwork is now being streamlined by a rapidly evolving force: property technology, or PropTech. As the digital wave reshapes nearly every industry, real estate is no exception. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your property journey, embracing PropTech isn't just an option anymore. It's the strategic edge you need to scale your real estate portfolio in a data-driven, competitive world. PropTech, more than just a buzzword. PropTech refers to the integration of technology with real estate to enhance the way people buy, sell, rent, design, construct, and manage properties. This includes everything from AI-powered analytics platforms, virtual property tours, smart building systems, blockchain for transactions, to digital marketplaces and property management tools. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry disrupting traditional models and offering investors powerful tools to grow faster, smarter, and with less risk. First, data-driven investment decisions. One of the most valuable benefits PropTech offers is access to real-time, hyperlocal market data. Platforms like Zillow, Redfin, CoStar, and Realize aggregate massive volumes of property, demographic, rental yield, and economic trend data to help investors make informed decisions. Instead of relying on instinct or outdated reports, investors can now identify undervalued markets before they boom, monitor price trends, rental demand, and neighborhood development, analyze competitor performance and property-level financials. This level of insight enables smarter acquisition strategies, especially when expanding a portfolio across cities or countries. 2. Virtual property tours and remote transactions. With 3D virtual tours, drone photography, and augmented reality (AR), prospective buyers and tenants can explore properties in high fidelity from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Matterport and Zillow 3D have made remote viewings a standard. For investors, this means faster property turnover, especially for rental units, broader access to national or international investment opportunities, reduced time and travel costs in due diligence processes, coupled with e-signature platforms like DocuSign and blockchain-based smart contracts. Entire real estate transactions can now be completed remotely, legally, and securely. 3. Automated property management. Managing multiple properties can be overwhelming, but PropTech simplifies it. Tools like Buildium, AppFolio, and Tenant Cloud automate many aspects of property management, including rent collection and late fee enforcement, maintenance request tracking, tenant screening and lease renewals, communication with tenants via mobile apps. This automation minimizes human error, improves tenant satisfaction, and allows landlords to scale without dramatically increasing operational costs or staffing. 4th, smart building technology. IoT, Internet of Things devices are transforming how properties are operated and maintained. These smart solutions include thermostats that adjust to tenant preferences and save energy, leak detectors that alert landlords before damage occurs, smart locks and security cameras for enhanced tenant safety. Such features can increase the value and appeal of rental properties, reduce maintenance costs, and help command premium rents, especially in competitive urban markets. 5. Crowdfunding and fractional ownership platforms. For those looking to expand portfolios with less capital, PropTech has introduced real estate crowdfunding and fractional ownership. Sites like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Lofty allow investors to buy shares of commercial or residential properties for as little as $100. This model offers diversification across property types and locations, passive income through rental dividends, exposure to high-value assets with minimal risk. This is particularly attractive for new investors or experienced ones seeking to test new markets without committing large amounts of capital. 6. AI and machine learning for predictive analytics. Advanced PropTech platforms now use AI to predict future market trends, tenant behavior, and maintenance needs. For instance, AI can assess thousands of listings to find the best investment opportunities. Predictive algorithms can estimate when tenants are likely to vacate. Maintenance AI can schedule repairs before equipment fails, reducing downtime. Using these insights helps investors mitigate risk, increase retention, and optimize cash flow, essential for any growing portfolio. 7. Blockchain and tokenization of assets. Although still emerging, blockchain is poised to disrupt real estate financing and ownership models. Tokenization allows a property to be split into digital shares, tokens, that can be bought, sold, or traded on blockchain platforms. Benefits include faster, cheaper transactions with fewer intermediaries, increased liquidity for traditionally illiquid real estate assets, transparent, tamper-proof records of ownership and transfers. This will especially benefit investors looking to exit or rebalance portfolios efficiently. 8. Sustainability and ESG tracking. Modern investors are increasingly aware of sustainability and ESG, environmental social governance metrics. PropTech tools now track energy usage, carbon footprints, and regulatory compliance. Green building platforms like Measurable help increase energy efficiency, attract eco-conscious tenants, comply with sustainability mandates for higher appraisal values. This also makes properties more attractive to institutional investors and can significantly increase long-term portfolio value. The competitive advantage. You can't ignore PropTech is not just a trend. It's a revolution transforming every stage of the real estate lifecycle. For investors aiming to grow their portfolios efficiently, it's a gold mine of opportunity. From uncovering hidden markets to managing properties with AI precision, PropTech empowers investors to do more with less time, less effort, and often less capital. The key is not to be overwhelmed by the technology, but to strategically adopt tools that align with your goals. Whether you're looking to scale a rental empire, enter commercial real estate, or simply improve your cash flow, integrating PropTech into your strategy isn't just smart. It's essential for staying ahead in tomorrow's real estate game. Embrace PropTech now, and you'll be building a smarter, stronger portfolio while others are still playing catch-up.